Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app and fix highlights not working on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the fourth option, Archive. And as you see here, a list of stories archive will appear. Now tap on these three dots and choose Settings. And here make sure to toggle on Save to Story Archive. And then to create highlights, tap on Create Highlight and choose the video or the photo you want to create it as a highlight. And this is it. This is how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Thanks for watching. See ya.